Do you know how easy it is to bake tofu? Super easy. I'm going to show you how. We're actually going to marinate it and then bake it. Absolutely delicious. Let's get started. First, prep your tofu. You'll want to wrap it in a towel and gently give it a few squeezes to remove any of that excess water. Cut it into squares and set aside while you prep your marinade. For today's marinade, I'm starting with nut butter, and this is a powdered peanut butter. Add in some water and give that a stir to get it to a peanut butter consistency. Pour in some soy sauce, hot sauce, I'm using sriracha, chopped garlic, fresh lemon juice, red pepper flakes, salt, and pepper. Then give that a stir. Grab a dish and add a layer of tofu to the bottom. Top that with half of your marinade. Add another layer of tofu, and then top that with the rest of your marinade. Make sure all the pieces are coated, then store in the refrigerator for a few hours or even overnight. When you're ready, place the tofu on a baking sheet and bake at 400 degrees for 30 minutes. Most recipes are going to tell you to flip that halfway through. I don't mess with it. Just stick it in the oven, let it do its thing. It comes out perfectly. You can flip it if you want, but I think it does just fine on its own. After 30 minutes, pull it out of the oven and let it sit in the baking sheet for about 5 to 10 minutes to cool. Pretty simple, right? You can devour it right now as is, or if you want to eat it later, just put it in a storage container and pop it in the fridge until you're ready to eat it. It's so easy to pull this together, and the marinade, get creative. What flavors are you interested in? Make it your own. I hope you give this a try. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them for me. I'd be happy to hear from you. Thank you so much. Have a great day.